Spoiled food vocabulary in English. Moldy or moldy, meaning covered with mold, green, white, or black spots. The bread became moldy. The cheese is moldy, don't eat it. Rotten, meaning decayed and smelling very bad. The bananas are rotten. These tomatoes turned rotten. Putrid, meaning extremely rotten and foul-smelling. The fish became putrid in the heat. The meat smells putrid. Stale, meaning old, dry, and not fresh, usually bread, snacks, cake. The bread is stale now. These chips taste stale. Mushy, meaning too soft, often spoiled. The tomatoes are mushy. This banana is mushy, don't eat it. Rancid, meaning oils, butter, or nuts that smell bad because they are old. This oil has gone rancid. The butter smells rancid. Sour, meaning milk or dairy that has spoiled and tastes acidic. The milk turned sour. This curd tastes sour, throw it away. Curdled, meaning milk that has formed lumps. The milk curdled while boiling. Don't use it, it has curdled. Mildewed, meaning affected by mildew, a kind of fungus. These grapes look mildewed, don't eat them. Don't eat mildewed food. Infested, meaning filled with insects, worms, or pests. The rice is infested with insects. This flour is infested, throw it away. Slimy, meaning slippery, sticky texture due to spoilage. The chicken feels slimy, don't cook it. The vegetables are slimy, so throw them out. Soggy, meaning soft and wet, no longer fresh. The fries are soggy now. My biscuits got soggy in the rain. Watery, meaning food leaking water or liquid inside due to spoilage. The watermelon became watery inside. This yogurt is watery now. Stringy, meaning tough and fibrous in texture, usually because the food is old or not fresh. The chicken is stringy. The meat is too stringy to chew. Fermented, meaning spoiled due to bacterial activity, causing a sour smell. The juice got fermented by morning. This rice smells fermented. Freezer burned, meaning damaged by ice crystals in the freezer. The meat is freezer burned. Freezer burned food tastes bad. Overripe, meaning too soft or fully ripe, close to spoiling. The mangoes are overripe now. The bananas became overripe. Bruised, meaning soft, damaged spots on fruits. The apples are bruised. The peaches got bruised in the bag. Contaminated, meaning mixed with harmful germs or chemicals, unsafe to eat or drink. Don't drink this water, it's contaminated. The food got contaminated at the shop. Tainted, meaning impure or unsafe due to spoilage or contamination. The meat is tainted. The soup tasted strange, it might be tainted. Dodgy, meaning suspicious or unsafe to eat. This meat looks dodgy. I wouldn't try that, it's dodgy. Turned, meaning spoiled and no longer fresh. I think the milk has turned. The soup has turned, throw it out. The soup has turned, throw it out. Decayed, meaning having rotted or decomposed and no longer safe to eat. The fruits are decayed, don't eat them. These vegetables are decayed, don't use them. Off, meaning doesn't smell or taste right, spoiled. This chicken smells off. The milk tastes off. Funky, meaning smelling strange or unpleasant. This cheese smells funky. Something funky is in the kitchen. Musty, meaning damp, moldy smell. The bread smells musty. These nuts have a musty odor. Reeking, meaning giving off a very strong bad smell. The dustbin is reeking of spoiled food. Something in the fridge is reeking badly. Spoiled, meaning no longer fresh or safe to eat. The milk is spoiled, don't drink it. This fish is spoiled, it smells really bad. Bad, meaning food that is not fresh, doesn't taste right, or is unsafe to eat. The milk has gone bad, don't drink it. The eggs smell bad, so throw them out. Expired, meaning past the expiration date and no longer safe to use or eat. This yogurt is expired. The biscuits expired last week.